going on, Keith?
Hi, Eric. Or no, it's hey, Eric. Hey, Eric.
You'll get it.
I'll get that. We're discussing yesterday we need to get bumper stickers made.
Oh no.
Just hey, Eric bumper stickers. You could make $1 million off of it. You incorporate it. You know how Leno's trademarks kind of whatever is kind of outline of his face and the big chin.
Yeah.
We'll have to do it, but like with Doug's hair.
Yeah.
That'd be really cool. Doug's pulling heads on the C10. Had one rocker stud brake. Zach's finish up welding up the frame for the Chevelle so we can get it sent to the powder coater this week. Steven's back on the Falcon, working on finishing up the trans tunnel and drive shaft tunnel. And Austin's still plugging away at the Nova, putting the Detroit Speed mini tubs in.
Plugging away, huh?
Plugging away.
So where are we at on this frame here?
Sanding. I'm sanding.
Is this to prepare it for powder coating?
Well, I'm just metal finishing all the corners where we welded right now. Put those plates in. So I'm just getting the small divots like that welded up and then sanded square. So it's at a 90 degree, and then I'll go back and round that so it gets a nice uniform radius.
Kind of like the other edge. Opposite of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It won't be that much of a radius, but kind of like how this one is.
It'll be more blended. Yeah. Nice. I'll let you get back to it. I'll go see what All American Hero is doing over there.
Shop down?
Yeah.
All American Hero.
Seems like an appropriate title for a guy of his era.
I got nothing.
Hey Eric!
What's going on, Doug?
Just another happy Tuesday. What are you up to?
Oh, not much. Just getting an update. Looks like you've tore this thing apart, huh?
We are still tearing it apart. As a matter of fact, the other head's coming off for inspection, and motor's coming out for repaint. So I think this truck's getting a 5-speed now too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Got pulling the motor out today? Or not sure yet?
Not sure yet.
Trying to diagnose the problem.
Haven't had that direction.
What did Keith told me earlier? Something broke?
Oh, the rocker stud. Looks like the tip of the rocker stud came off.
Was it on both heads or just one head?
Just one head.
Gotcha.
But Casey likes to go all out and get everything checked out.
So how's the progress with the trans tunnel?
Well, I made a couple of templates yesterday, and formed up this piece so far. That's kind of where I'm at so far. Got this piece rolled. Now I'm just gonna trim the excess off the sides, and then put a little bevel in it like this one's got.
Was that the first one you mocked up?
Yeah, this is the one that I mocked up.
It's a little too low. That drive shaft sits up there pretty high, huh?
Yeah, this one, I did it without the drive shaft, so I want to kind of lower it down and get it closer to the drive shaft. It's still going to be up pretty far up in the floor because we moved the motor so far back, but
it'll be a better fit overall.
Be a better fit overall and look a little better, so that's why I started on this one yesterday. It's just, man, it just takes time, dude. This is just, that's like one piece of old sheet metal that took pretty much all day yesterday, but we had to make a couple pieces just to get it to be able to. Austin and I laid it out that way we could roll it on the slip roller just to get the radiuses right. They're still gonna have to be tweaked a little bit, but got it closer to where I want it. So it's kind of a big job. But
I think you got to account for what you got, a bend in there that you put to where it kind of flanges out. where
Yeah.
where it gets welded to the
Yeah, it'll have a flange on it just like this one.
yeah.
And I'll take and weld it corner to corner and then slick it up and then Cleco it or use pliers or whatever to hold it in place for now.
So you got to account for that while you're
Doing this too, yeah. Yeah, so this angle will be changed. Because like when you roll it, it flares it out, more or less. So if you don't have this radius perfect, to be able to get it flat is a kind of a task in itself. So this will have to be cut and then grinded to where it'll when it's in the car at that right angle, this will be sent flat to where it'll mate up with the other one. So there's a little bit of figuring that goes into it.
You want to talk about what your buddy Dan over at Wilpro sent you?
Dude, old Dan at Dan Rice House over at American Racing. Bigs. Check these out. Are they sweet?
They look nice, man.
Yeah. Super proud of these. I think they're awesome. And that truck went back home after Lone Star Throwdown, and you should be seeing it at some of the shows and stuff that American Racing is going to be at.
Nice.
So yeah, pretty cool.
What are you doing with those posters?
I don't know.
You got to figure a way to disperse them.
Yeah, we do.